Scientific notation computations. We're going to be multiplying two numbers that are in scientific notation, and we will be dividing two numbers that are in scientific notation. Let's start with the multiplication. Now you can think of this one as 2 times 10 cubed times 6 times 10 to the fourth. Now multiplication is commutative, meaning that the order that I multiply these in doesn't matter. So I could do the 2 times 6 first, and then the 10 cubed times 10 to the fourth together. The way I wrote it like that because I can do this, 12, and 10 cubed times 10 to the fourth. You can use the product rule for exponents there. You can write it with 110 and add the exponents. You're multiplying 3 tens together times 4 tens. That's the same thing as multiplying 7 tens together. Now this isn't exactly in scientific notation because this number has to be between 1 and 10. It's not. But the 7 on the 10 means that it's a big number. If I were to write this in decimal notation, I would move this decimal spot 7 places to the right. That would create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So this number really is 120 million. That is multiplying scientific notation numbers. Let's look at the division. You can think of this one as 8 divided by 2 times 10 to the 5th divided by 10 to the 9th. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And this is the quotient rule for exponents. You can write this with 1 base 10 and you subtract. 5 minus 9 is -4. Now this one is in scientific notation, but if the problem wants it in decimal notation, you're going to have to move the decimal 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to create 3 zeros in front of the 4. There you go. That's a couple computations when numbers are in scientific notation. There you go.